Want to save an image, file, or web page as a PDF? Here's a simple trick. Let's start with an image. First, locate the image you want to make into a PDF. Then, right-click and go to Open Image in New tab. Go to the New tab and locate the three dots in the right corner. Press them and select Print. Make sure that the destination is Save as PDF. Then press Save. Choose the location and the name you'd like it to have, and press Save again. And now you have your image as a PDF. Creating a PDF from a web page is just as simple. First, you locate the web page you want to make into a PDF and click the three dots in the right corner. Same as for the image, you go to Print and choose to save as a PDF. Then press Save. Choose the location and the name of the PDF, hit Save again, and there you have it. Your web page is now a PDF. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to VISTECH for more helpful tech tips.